What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing this cat sitting on a fence, kind of spooky, getting ready for Halloween season. We start off with number 3, Cat Eye. It's a nice gold color, and then, that hurts. We know we hate it when we run into the sidewalls and get that little drippy drip. Anyways, I use the lid of the cap here to use the magnet, and it's going to magnetize the cat eye. Again, this is number 3, and yeah, it's a really cool looking color. I love the way it looks. Again, it's built into the cap, so we're going to just go right in there. I like to go around the side of the nail and just bam. Ooh, that's a nice looking shot. You like that? Did that feel good? Oh man, so shiny. All right, let's get serious here, guys. We're going to use our back to black. That's our number 2. I have a liner brush, and I get a really nice opaque line, and then I like to kind of add a lot of pressure to create shadowing in here, and it just gives us that illusion that it might be a little bit further. I do mix in a little bit of top coat as I go further down, and that just really dilutes it down, right? So it gives us a really watered down, a smoky kind of look, and it makes the blending look a lot more easy. It's not too easy when you have really opaque colors, so that's why I like to use a top coat. And I'd like to just go in there, play around with it a little bit. Using just the point of the brush, I'm going to go ahead and make these horizontal posts and vertical ones, I guess. But I start off with vertical and then go horizontal afterwards. And they can be kind of like, they don't need to be perfect. I like to kind of make them look a little bit weathered, right? And so it looks a little cooler in my opinion that way. For the body of the cat, it's basically just a little circle, and then a little circle for the head here. Do 2 little tiny triangles for his ears. It could be a her too, I guess. Who really knows? Right now it looks like a little bunny. And I think I went a little too long on this tail. I probably should have stopped right there, but you know, it's a really long-tailed cat. Here, we're going to put in the moon, and you can have fun with it. It's always spookier when it's a full moon, I guess. Something about like werewolves and all of that stuff. So I mix in a little bit of gray here just to give it a little bit more dimension. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to finish this off with our top coat. It's the Gotti Nails No Wipe Gold formula. And make sure to like this video, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.